Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the WordPress dashboard. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will help you understand the key sections and features of the dashboard so you can navigate it with confidence. Let's start with the basics. Once you log into WordPress, you'll land on the dashboard homepage. Here, you'll see an overview of your site, including quick links to posts, pages, and comments. On the left-hand side, you have the main navigation menu, which includes options like Posts, create and manage blog posts; Pages, add and edit static pages like About or Contact; Media, manage images, videos, and other files; Appearance, customize your theme and site layout; Plugins, add features to your site; Users, manage who can access your site. At the top of the screen, you'll find the Admin toolbar, where you can quickly visit your site, see notifications, or add new content. Finally, on the right, you'll find the Widgets area, offering shortcuts like recent comments, site stats, or quick draft options. Explore these sections to get familiar with where everything is. It'll save you time later. And that's a quick overview of the WordPress dashboard. In the next video, we'll dive into configuring general settings so you can tailor WordPress to your needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.